G'day viewers. Today I'm making fried rice. You could say a wok with a wok. The cooking part mostly went to plan. The filming part, not entirely, but let's get into it. I'm going to make some fried rice. I've got some leftover rice. I've got some diced ham left over from Christmas. Where else do you get ham from? I have some mixed veggies and some mixed stir-fry veggies frozen. So I'm going to add some water to those, just a little bit. And water to those and partially cook them. Oh, I've got a bit of chook. A couple of eggs. That'll probably be cooked, but it's okay. 5 minutes. Get this stuff ready. Ooh, plain tunes. This is probably a bit unconventional for fried rice. No one ever taught me how to make fried rice. There's a lady on the internet, I watched her make fried rice a few times. So I got some ideas. Start off with the egg, I think, while the wok's not too sticky. Easier to clean than plastic. Eggs out of the backyard, as my grandfather used to call them, bum nuts. And a little splash of water in here. Used to have a wooden one of these, which was ideal for the wok, but it died. minced garlic. That's not as good as the real thing, but chicken. I'm not putting salt in, but I am going to put soy sauce, but obviously that'll give us plenty of. Put some fish sauce. Yeah, that's soy sauce in there. Do that very much at all because it's fresh chicken. I only bought yesterday. The lady I saw do fried rice, she used dried shrimp in her fried rice, which was rather yummy. We don't have any, so use whatever's around vegetable wise. Probably garlic's pretty important, soy sauce is pretty important, fish sauce if you got it. Everything else, and the rice, everything else is pretty optional. It's gone dry again. Popped outside and grabbed some chilies. Leave those seeds behind, maybe I'll leave some of the heat behind. Oh, there's some heat in there, it's burning my nose already. Oh, oh Jesus. There's definitely some heat in those chilies. Wow. Oh, they've got a bit of colour. Soy sauce. Well, the food turned out great. Even if one of the cameras didn't quite share my commitment. I did get some good photos though, so you'll see those at the end. The most important thing was though, it tasted great. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Well, the food, keep going. Well, and I'll start again to give that a bit of a gap. Well, the food, I can't say food. well, the food, I can't talk. All right, here we go. Well, the food turned out great.